Welcome back to another tip, guys. We're going to continue analyzing client-side attacks, and we're going to see a couple of PDF files related attacks. The first one is this. It delivers a buffer overflow for older Adobe Reader versions. I'm gonna leave the default name like this, but you can change it if you want. We need to set up a payload that's gonna be the usual reverse TCP shell. And if you notice the options, we only have to set up the local host or the IP address of our Kali attacking machine if you like. That's about it for the options related to this exploit. So we're pretty much good to go. So if we run the exploit command, this infected file called msf.pdf gets generated. I'm going to copy it to the web directory of our Apache server so I can access it from our target machine. Now I need to start Apache server in order to do that. You'll notice there's no need for you to back out of Metasploit in order to run this type of commands. By the way, I misspelled the command. It's service, not server. You'll see that it gets executed, no big deal, inside Metasploit. So that saves you some time when you need to perform a pen test. Alright, so now we have all we need, but we only have to set up a handler in order to receive our reverse connection back to our attacking machine. And we use this familiar multi-handler by now. You should be familiar with that. We set up the usual reverse shell as a payload. The only option we need to set up is our local host. Of course, the IP address of our Kali machine. In the meantime, our XP target got logged off, or better, got locked because of my power savings settings. I need to set up a couple of advanced options in order to keep my session alive, because with browser-based exploits, all the payload is contained in the browser, so if it crashes, you have to start over, which is a real pain in the ass. Okay. Now we can access the infected file from the browser. You see that I have previous attempts stored in memory, but I need to use the name I used for my payload, which is msf.pdf. Apparently nothing seems to be going on, on XP, but if we launch the attack, and I'm going to give it another shot, we have a interpreter session opened in the background. You see nothing triggers anything on the victim machine, so we're good to go. I can also get a privilege escalation, which is pretty easy on XP, honestly. I'm going to show you how to do it Windows 7 as well, and we'll see that another interpreter session is automatically opened because I use this events option exit on session false. So we're pretty much good to go, and that's about it for this video. I'm gonna follow up with other PDF attacks in another video, but as of right now, have a good day. Bye bye.